Why is Ally Auto Care so committed to maintaining your vehicle? Because we know how important it is to your life. Ally Auto Care is a prepaid maintenance plan that locks in the cost of your covered services up front. We know the average person owns a vehicle for roughly 7 years and may put over 100,000 miles on it. And we know you can't let your car take a day off. Fortunately, we know how to help. Ally Auto Care helps properly maintain your vehicle right from the beginning. You never have to worry about the costs going up. It's available on new and used vehicles and covers chassis lube, oil change, oil filter change, tire rotation, and fluid top-off. And the work is done at your dealer by certified technicians. All you need to do is schedule your appointment. You choose the number of services that work for you. We know cars, so we know you might be wondering, is this for real? Yes. We've been helping drivers for over 40 years. Because when it comes to keeping your car on the road, we know how to make it easy and affordable. To know all about Ally Auto Care, just ask your dealer.